Yeah, so we had a fabulous month. It was pretty intense because we were working every weekend with people, but it was great to see the progression. People were going on the journey path. And we were joined by Kathleen, which was a rare treat. It was
That
great.
was fabulous to have Kathleen sort of streaming into our class to teach the meta model. We had a few little hitches with technology where the Wi-Fi at her end we had an issue with because of a storm.
Yeah, a storm and a few rogue wasps, which had to be dealt with. But
Yeah.
it was great, and got some fabulous feedback. So that was quite a rare treat to have her join us and introduce people to the meta model,
Mm.
and they got it. Yeah, many of them really got it because we know that because the weekend after we were testing and checking, they were asking the right questions.
Yeah, they definitely picked it up. And I love the way Kathleen teaches a meta model because she anchors it as she's teaching it.